Hello and welcome to a video I have been excited to make forever. Today we are unboxing the
Omni One!
And if you don't know what this is a virtual reality meets exercise solution. I have never used anything like this. I have tested a million connected fitness options, bikes, rowers, treadmills, whatever. But this is in a whole world of its own, and I think it could be a great option to not only get fantastic exercise for you, but your whole family. And I know someone who is a little excited.
Me!
So what we're gonna do is unbox this, but we're also gonna have a lot of future videos, a full review. I was thinking one where we see if kids like it and it's a good option for them. Are you okay with doing that?
Yes!
So there's a lot of content coming up, so hit that subscribe button. But let me get to unboxing this. I'll come back and tell you a little bit more about it, and then we'll get to some initial thoughts. So let's speed this up and at least see what's in these boxes. All right, so everything's unboxed. It is not assembled yet, but I just want to talk about that real quick. This base that I'm sitting on is a beast. It is extremely heavy. I'm in the basement here. I needed help getting it down the stairs. It was definitely not a one-person job. Once it's like this, it has wheels in the back, so I was able to roll it around pretty easy. Not too bad. Definitely heavy, so you need to have a little bit of strength there, but you can do it. Just something to be aware of. As far as packaging, it was packaged amazing. A lot of styrofoam, everything nice and tight. Seeing no nicks, no issues here. Everything seems like it's in very good condition because it's very well packaged, and I've seen plenty that are not, so I make sure to point that out. Now, as far as what you get, obviously the base. We got the arm here that's gonna hook up to the vest, and the vest is right here in front. All these had like their own little cubbies in the packaging.
Yeah.
Overshoes, I actually have two, one for large and one for small, so that way I can test this, but my kids can also test it. Like I said, plan to make a video where the kids show if this is a good option for kids if you're trying to get your kids some exercise, so stay tuned for that. Cleaning essentials box, and then the start here box, which looks like it has the VR headset controllers in it. And then the base extension, which I believe opens up and you can store some of your stuff in it. That way it's not just floating around the house. And so now we're gonna start putting this together and powering this thing up, so see you in a minute. All right, so I said it'd be a few minutes, turned out to be about a week, so I have a lot of great feedback and some things came up. That means I'm gonna share some things in this video that I didn't plan to. I was gonna save them for the longer full review, but I would stick around for that. Now, as far as the getting started with this, setting it up, putting it together, an absolute breeze. Snap it together and plug it in, get using it. It was extremely easy, so that was awesome for such a big machine. Speaking to durability, these two crazies have been using, which obviously they're kids and they test it out. I'm 230 pounds and I wasn't really sure how well this would handle. It's just this arm that sticks up. How strong is it really? It's handled us just fine. Now, obviously we're only a week in, have a lot more testing to do, but initial impressions are this thing is a lot stronger than I thought, so that's very impressive. The experience so far has been a lot of fun. I've really enjoyed it. I've used it a few times now, and great exercise, fun experience. Definitely a lot to talk about there, and that's gonna be for the full review, but the initial impressions are, it's quite the machine, and it's a pretty cool experience. Talking about kids using it, they don't like it. It's just something that they're not into. They don't bug me to use it at all. They're a matter of fact, they're not here right now because they want me to hurry up and record this so they can use it as soon as I'm done recording. Nothing to do with that. Again, we're gonna have a full kids review, so these two will be talking about that more when we get to that. And the thing that I didn't plan to bring up was that this doesn't feel like a $2,500 machine. This feels more like maybe a $5,000 to $6,000 machine. There's a lot of technology, a lot going, a lot to the experience and what's inside the VR experience, and it just feels like a much more expensive product. And I was gonna say that. Well, an email came out that said it's going from, I think, $2,600 to $3,500. So there is a price increase coming, which in my opinion is still a great price. I still think it's probably under what it'll sell for someday. But if you're on the edge and you're like, I think this is a machine that I would love or my family would love, everything about it just seems like it is. I'm just not sure it's such a big investment. Initial impressions are, if that's you and you know you're right on the fence, you're thinking it's awesome, and you're thinking it might be perfect for you, you're probably gonna love it. It's fantastic exercise. It's a great experience. And the kids review, so subscribe for all that. But I hope that helped you out. Use the link in the description if you don't mind. Hit that like button, and I will catch you around next time. See you soon.